It came with this pretty 16-inch headband wig that I'm going to be reviewing for y'all today. It's an ombre blonde wig, and y'all just stay tuned to see how I feel about this hair and how I like this color and everything. And it also comes with 4 combs. It has 3 combs in the front, and it has a comb in the back, and it also comes with the Velcro strap. So y'all just see how everything is gonna turn out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the other side. Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is August Nicole, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you will know when I will be posting the videos. And y'all, today I am back with another wig review, and today I will be reviewing this hair that I got from Beauty Forever Hair, and it is Beauty Forever Ombre Blonde Highlight Human Hair Headband Wig, and it is Brazilian Virgin hair, and it is brown mixed with honey blonde streaks. And y'all already know that she is glueless because she is a headband wig, and I got her in a length of 16 inches, and the color of it is a body wave T1B41T color, and she is like a more of a darkish brownish blonde instead of a light blonde, but I still like this color too. I really like this color. I like how it matches with my skin tone, and like I said, she is like a body wave. And this is how she's looking on the side. And this is how she's looking in the back. And y'all, I like the density on her. She's not, so y'all won't be seeing no tricks in her. She is soft to the touch. She feels like a yucky and some silky. I feel some silky in her at the bottom. And at the top, she feel like a yucky. Like I said, Beauty Forever sent me this hair, and I really like the headband. It's really cute. It definitely speaks springtime to me more than the other one they sent me. I like this one better. And the price of her, she was $85.68. So she was under $100. If you wanted to like a 24 or 26 inches, it will probably, let me see, like the highest is for the 26 inch is $260.95. So yes, the more length you add to her, the more she will cost, and she feels very comfortable on my head. She didn't shed that much either, y'all. When I was combing her out, she was not shedding that much, and that's what I like. I would, you would think that a color like this, like it would shed, but it didn't, and I'm super happy about that. So yes, y'all, if y'all want to get ready for spring, Y'all need to go on and cop y'all this one right here. And she did